Yo, what's up? Just arrived to the beautiful Kintamani, and that's the beautiful ride for these roads. And behind me, just over here, is the Mount Batur volcano. Probably I will fly drone today. I have a plan to fly as close as possible to the crater. Yeah, where is the lava? But unfortunately, I think this is over 500 meters high. It's like 650 from now, so probably mission failed. But stay tuned, I will show you around. And well, this is super extremely remote area, so good opportunity to walk a little bit, have a fresh mountain air, and also I want to show you the rocks like this one. This is the lava rocks. Yeah, I will show you a little bit. I'm gonna show you area over here. There is some mountains over there. This is the place where I come. Here sometimes is some warungs, sometimes, but seems like it's closed already for a longer while. And everywhere around here there are rocks from the lava. And here is the top of the Mount Batur volcano, and I stand on something like this, like literally lava rocks. So cool. So here supposed to be an Indonesian flag, long time ago at least. Unfortunately currently is not here. However, that's not gonna change anything, because I wanna have a wee trek over here. Oh, it's not as easy as people think. You have to trespass rocks like this. So Kintamani is famous for many things. Not many people know about this place. Now is the still green season, wet season, and everything here is kinda green, but in normal condition over here is so dry. It's like savanna in Bali, and that's actually super cool place for walking around and explore. But yeah, Kintamani was always famous and still is very famous for trekking to this active volcano. Last time eruption was I don't forgot the year, to be honest. I will put on the screen what year. I'm so sorry about that. I had a 2 hours long ride here. And yeah, Kintamani usually is very famous for the trekking, and nowadays is super famous for the lake view and volcano in the fancy restaurants, cafe shops. Now Kintamani become the symbol of coffee in Bali. Maybe not many of you know that, but almost all coffee from Bali is coming from Kintamani. Especially we talk about the Arabica, because Robusta is coming from Papuan area and stuff like that. I'm thinking how to go back. Always good to come here. It's actually on the top where I'm gonna go soon. It's so cold, so I decide to talk more here. Basically, I'm gonna go now to the top, to the village of Kintamani. I'm gonna show you a little bit how it looks village also. And obviously, I'm gonna have some lovely, fresh Kintamani coffee in the Kintamani village from the Kintamani farmers, or at least the owners. Kintamani own restaurants. As you can see, this is so cool view. See you in the cafe shop in the Kintamani village. Check this out, this view and this road, so cool. Also here is very nice road, as you can see, with the lava stones. Very nice road for ride. And at the front is Mount Batur volcano. And this road, if you have a very fancy car, some sporty or something, this road is for you in Bali. Very nice. So basically that's how it looks, the village in Kintamani. On the right, everywhere over here is some cafe shops. Long time ago, this area was famous because so many style restaurants. Meanwhile, over here still a volcano view. And here, as you can see, already modern restaurant. I think I will come back into this one. I've been here once. Yo, what's up? So just arrived to the one coffee shop. What I said already, the name is Akasa, yeah. Okay, so you have a nice coffee, yeah, from Kintamani?
Kintamani coffee.
You have coffee from Kintamani, yeah?
Yes, I'm from.
Okay. Let's check this out, yeah? Inside, okay, yeah. Big stomach. Oh, how are you?
Hi, good afternoon. How are you?
Oh, still alive, you know. No, just
How can I
kidding.
help you?
So the view like this. Here is some Instagrammable chair. Oh, sorry, my friend. I will sit here. Already ordered a cappuccino and now cake selection. Any. This one maybe chocolate cake. Beautiful. We'll see. Kintamani coffee, always good time to have a coffee. Some people chilling everywhere, you know. The place has changed little bit since we was last time. If you're watching us already longer, you know, as we was here and I was making videos somewhere here how they make coffee. So that's basically how the nowadays looks the coffee shops in Kintamani area. Also they have here something like a roastery, I think. Well, what I can say, this is like a roastery. They have a really Kintamani coffee. Unfortunately, they are busy. Not many people to show me around. This is the machine. Very nice. I think they have a coffee here, yeah. Check this out. I'm here little bit like I'm the owner of the restaurant, but I think it's okay if I just show you around. Very nice place. Roastery. And I will go now. I already show you the main center of the restaurant where they make a coffee, and also upstairs they have also nice view. And also upstairs, as you can see, so many people chilling. Very nice place, of course, with the amazing view and the Instagram spots also here. If you remember, we was sitting with Winnie here last time in this place, but that was 1 year ago. And here also they have a angel wing, I don't know. Very nice. And one more time, barista gonna make cappuccino. How are you? All good?
Yes.
You look so sad today. You have to smile all the time, be happy. You know? Look at this guy, he have a mask and difficult to see, but he's smiling all the time. Oh, this lady also. oh, you see, she said you're handsome, you know? That's good. Check this out. Check his ring, so nice. You're from Kintamani, my friend?
Yes, I'm from Kintamani.
Very nice. Check this out. I'm so sorry as I put camera so close, but that's so nice. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, my friend. And this beautiful lady gonna bring that to my table. I will follow her. I mean, she will follow me because I record her. How are you today? All good? Yeah?
Yes, I'm very good. Cappuccino.
Cappuccino. Thank you so much. And the beautiful view.
Enjoy this.
Thank you. My coffee arrived, as you can see, and the beautiful chocolate cake. I hope so it stays the same how it looks, but for sure. Long time ago, many tour companies like big buses and the private drivers used to taking people to coming here to Kintamani to watching this amazing spectacular view from the restaurants, like buffet style restaurants and something like that. And during the current situation, already 1 year, everything here has changed. Right now you have so many fancy restaurants, coffee shops. Over here, for example, that was the old restaurant, what I was saying about the buffet restaurant and stuff like this. So everything now has changed into the modern cafe shops, as you can see now at the front, for example, the white building. And also that's because many people who used to work in the tourist industry in Kintamani, they come to their village, which is here, or the surroundings village, and they start planting the coffee. So somebody smart decided, as we plant the coffee, why do not sell this coffee also as the coffee drink, like a cappuccino, latte and stuff like this. So basically not many people would buy the coffee in the old school restaurant, but so many people decide buy the coffee like this and having a lunch or sweet dessert like a cakes like this in the fancy restaurants. As you can see, for example, over here, this area has changed a lot, and so many attract so many people, but so many local people. And we're talking now about new local type of tourists, the young generation who just really enjoy coming, drink coffee, enjoy the beautiful view like this one, and having the coffee, cake, and of course Instagram pictures. Like I said, coffee is so nice. I'm so sorry for today's vlog, maybe especially in the cafe shop I'm making a little bit hectic. I think so. However, this is how natural it is. I'm trying to be very natural, and usually if I didn't make a video, I do like that, like to joke with the people around. So I hope so you understand and you enjoy it anyway. It's going to be already dark, already night, as you can see, and the clouds are coming. So guys, I hope so you enjoyed today's vlog. I hope so it's not too boring, because I'm not sure if it's interesting or boring. Comment below what do you think. If you're watching till now, this moment, that means it was, I hope so, interesting. And thank you so much, and see you tomorrow, something new like always. See ya. Here is some prayers. I'm not sure, probably because of Pura Bachur. As you can see, a lot of street food and big traffic.